Okay, are you going to get in so you can go get the mail? Are you going with Grammy? Are you going to drive it? Or are you going to ride? Because it's kind of windy out. This.
Come on. Gotta put you in it. Come on, gotta put you in it. Oh, there. Oh, yeah. I know, you'd rather push it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, let's look outside, Grammy. Look how...
Yeah, I think we're just gonna go to the... Probably more work to do it this way, but... Yeah, he's right there. He's right there. Have you all bundled up here? Yeah. Or ride to the mailbox.
He doesn't know if he likes to have all that stuff. Holy cow.
Peekaboo!
Why don't you just take the blanket with you and then
Peekaboo!
if you need it. Okay?
You are trouble, aren't you? Huh?
There you go.
There.
There you go. We just got to get riding,
Okay.
Grammy.
Just a minute. Oh, we're going to go this way anyway. You ready? Here we go.
Okay, goodbye, baby Sean.
Bye-bye, Grampy. See you soon. We won't be gone very long.
Okay.
What happened here? Something is wrong.
There you go.
Don't get much for 15 bucks anymore, you know.
Yeah.
Mail your sister's birthday party. For my birthday party.
Okay, better hurry.
It's raining.
Is it?
You can sit back, you know. You don't have to
Lean forward.
sit right here. I suppose you're getting all this on tape.
Grammy's having a little bit of a tough time today.
Don't peek around the corner. Get in there.
So, okay, so we got you on tape now. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh. And there they go. They're going off to the mail. And this is what happens.